common question that I receive when I meet young parents is when to send the child to school, when is the child ready for school. The most important thing that you need to understand as a parent is that when the child is separated from you, there will be a lot of separation anxiety. And they're able to deal with this separation anxiety when they're slightly older, because they will have words to express what they're feeling. But still, between the ages of say 2 and 4, 4.5, most children do experience a great amount of separation anxiety, and they do come back and tell you horror stories from school so that you will not send them back to school the next day. But as a parent, the first few things that you need to understand, it's not one specific age that, oh, my child is 3 years and 6 months today, he'll be ready for school tomorrow. It's not like that. The first thing that your child needs to know or have is established toilet habits, because a lot of children find it very stressful to adjust within the new environment when they're not able to communicate the need to use the toilet. So make sure that you have weaned your child away from the nappy for at least 6 months before you send them to school. The second thing that is required is you need to tell your child very specifically that the school is a happy place and that they're going to enjoy it. Very often when parents are very irritated with the child or very upset with the child, they will say, if you keep doing this, I will send you to school. And so we increase this fear of being away from you, and the child often wonders if they've been sent to school as a punishment for misbehaving or as a punishment for doing something they were told not to do. The third thing that happens is choose a school that understands that children first need to learn through play, have a lot of experiences for exploration, have a lot of opportunities to mingle with other people, experience different sensory inputs and so on. Don't choose schools that have a fixed formula like I will teach so many slogans, I will teach this, I will teach that. Your child will be writing by the end of preschool, writing by the end of LKG, because there are so many more skills that are required when the child is in the formative years before the ages of 7. And when separation anxiety happens, ensure that you are there for your child, letting them know that the school is a happy experience and that they will go there and come back and have a lot of fun time activities at home, so that your child feels comfortable being back at home. Over a period, when they have regular attendance in school, they will start adjusting, and give them at least about 3 to 4 weeks of adjustment time. Some children may take a little longer, but just be very sensible. So what is the right age for going into school? The right age is how well we prepare them. The later the better, especially for boys, because they take a little longer for language development.